Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're all welcome. None. Before we delve into what we have for today, if you're a newcomer here, you are welcome to my channel. I promise you a truckload of fun and a very interesting content. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching my videos, for returning. I'm very grateful. Now let's move on. In today's video, it's all about times, seasons in Igbo language. Ife aye neba anya taa wo oge na asụsụ Igbo. Oge na asụsụ Igbo. We're talking of times, we're talking of seasons in Igbo language. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. Let's move. Also to go kwa. Alright, the first one is time. Oge. Time. Oge. We have now. Kita. Now. Kita. Yeah, in other dialects you hear ubua, but from where I come from we say kita. Kita. Now. Bring it now. Wetie kita. Wetie kita. Kita. Now. Time. Oge. Time. Oge. I'm running late. Oge na ganarim. Oge na ganarim. I'm running late. I'm running late. Oge na ganarim. We have now. Kita. Wetie kita. Bring it now. Very good. We have later. Emeche. Emeche. In some other dialects, you hear emesia, emesia. But from my place, we say emeche. Before, mbu, mbu. Later, emeche. Before, mbu. Very good. We have Ndeli, kwa uboshi, kwa uboshi, kwa uboshi, kwa uboshi. You join the kwa and uboshi together, it gives you kwa uboshi. Kwa uboshi, Ndeli. Kwa uboshi, Ndeli. Yes. The next one we have Ototo, morning, morning. Ototo. I did a video on greetings, morning, afternoon, night, and the rest. I'll leave the link in the description so you can easily get that video. Very good. We have morning, morning, Ototo. Morning, Ototo. Afternoon, efifie or efifie. Then we have evening, evening, mgbede, mgbede, evening. Now let's do something. If I say daily is kwa uboshi, then daily, that is every morning, afternoon, or evening. The only thing you need to do is just attach the kwa in front of each one. So we have kwa ototo, every morning. Kwa ototo, kwa ototo, every morning. Kwa efifie, every afternoon. Kwa mgbede, every evening. Kwa ototo, every morning. Kwa efifie, every afternoon. Kwa mgbede, every evening. An interesting fact about Igbo is this. Between the hours of 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., we call it mbachi. Mbachi. Then 12 noon, we call it Etiti efifie. Etiti efifie. Etiti means middle. Middle. Etiti efifie. Etiti efifie. That is for Etiti efifie. That is for 12 noon. 11 a.m. to 12 noon, mbachi. 11 a.m. to 12 noon, mbachi. Then 12 noon itself, we have Etiti efifie. Etiti efifie for 12 noon. The next one is night, anyashi. 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 Some call it abani, but we call it anyashi. n'anyashi, anyashi. Every night, kwa anyashi. Every night, kwa anyashi. Remember kwa? Yes. Every night, kwa anyashi. So anyashi for night. Then etiti efifie, 12 noon. Now let's look at midnight. Ndeli. Ndeli, midnight. We have Ndeli for midnight. The next one is sunrise. Sunrise. Ọwụwa anyanwụ. Ọwụwa anyanwụ. Then sunset. Ọdịda anyanwụ. Ọdịda anyanwụ. Let's look at early morning. Ụzọ ụtụtụ. Ụzọ ụtụtụ. Remember we said ụtụtụ, morning. Ụzọ, early. Ụzọ plus ụtụtụ, it gives us ụzọ ụtụtụ. Ụzọ ụtụtụ, that is early in the morning. Okay, now let's look at this. If you want the presence of someone very early tomorrow morning, you simply say to that person, ma ụzọ ụtụtụ wee bịa echi. Ma ụzọ ụtụtụ wee bịa echi. Ma ụzọ ụtụtụ wee bịa echi. Okay, now let's talk about clock time, okay? Clock time. Clock, elekere. The next one we have AM and PM. AM, ụtụtụ. PM, efifie, okay? AM, ụtụtụ, morning. Afternoon, efifie. That's for PM. Right, example. We have 6 o'clock AM. 6 o'clock AM. Elekere ishi nke ụtụtụ. Elekere ishi. Ishi is 6 o'clock. Elekere, then AM, ụtụtụ. So 6 o'clock AM, we have elekere ishi nke ụtụtụ. The next one we have, okay, 2 o'clock PM. Elekere abụọ nke ehihie. Elekere abụọ nke ehihie. We have 2 abụọ and ehihie, PM, that is in the afternoon. Elekere abụọ nke ehihie, 2 o'clock PM. Very good. Now we have second. Second, tinkom. Then we have minutes, nkeji. Tinkom for seconds, then nkeji for minutes. Tinkom, second. Nkeji, minutes. We have elekere still for hour. An hour, elekere. Now we have day, uboshi. Uboshi for day. Remember we said we have week, izu. Yeah, I also have a video on this. Week, days, month, and year. That is the Igbo calendar. So I'm going to leave the link in the description for easy access to those videos, okay? Now back to what we are saying. Izu, week. Weekend. Ngwucha, izu. Ngwucha, izu. Weekend. Week, izu, end. Ngwucha. So we have Ngwucha, izu, weekend. Onwa, month. Onwa, month. Ngwucha, onwa. Ngwucha, onwa, month end. Okay? Now we have year. Aro. Aro for the year. Ngwucha aro, ending of the month, okay? So we have aro for the year, onwa for the month, izu for the week, and uboshi for day, okay? We have the decade. A decade, aro iri. 10 years make a decade. So 10 iri, aro year. Aro iri, 10 years make a decade. Now we have century. A century, 100 years. Nari is 100 in Igbo. Nari, 100. Aro, year. So we have Nari Aro. This time it's not Aro Nari, please. You know, when we say a decade, we have Aro Iri, 10 years. But for a century, we say Nari Aro, 100 years. Nari Aro for the century. Okay? Interestingly, the Igbos have adopted the Western way of writing time and dates. Okay, most of the time and dates are written as it would in English speaking countries like this. Yes. Next one, we move to seasons. Don't forget we are still talking about oge na asụsụ Igbo. Okay. Very good. We have only 2 seasons in Igbo land. Okay, the dry and the rainy season. Okay, the dry and the rainy season. The dry season, we call it Okochi. Okochi. Okochi for the dry season. Okochi. Then for the rainy season, we call it mmili. Mmili and Okochi. Okochi na mmili. Dry season and rainy season. That is the dry and rainy season. Okochi na mmili. But there is also a dusty trade wind known as harmattan throughout West Africa, and we call this ogoro. Ogoro in Igbo language. So we have mmili for the rainy season, Okochi dry season, and ogoro for harmattan. Very interesting, isn't it? Now we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. If you have any question or you have a particular topic in mind you would like me to make a video on, you can leave it in the comment section. Okay, thank you for staying with me. Que mesian.